ご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
Hello everyone, in today's video I will be covering off the 3K-R, or as it's known back in the day, the 137E engine that I have mentioned in the 3K versus 4K engine video I did prior. I will put up a card here and a link down in the descriptions below so that you guys can check that video out as well. In the previous video, I did say that the 3K-R engine produced 180 horsepower at about 9,000 RPM, and a little about it being mechanically fuel injected, along with individual throttle bodies in order to extract the maximum amount of power possible in that era. But did you guys know that the final revision for the 3K-R produced 300 horsepower at 11,000 RPM? But it is a 1.3 liter now. But what changes have been made, you ask? I will be covering some technical specifications of the engine next. Technical specs. Bore and stroke for the 3K-R engine was 79mm for bore and 66mm for stroke. The stroke did not change from the normal 3K, but the bore was increased by 4mm, hence increasing the displacement from 1,166 cc's to 1,293 cc's, making it a 1.3 liter. And as I said in the previous video, they have converted it from an overhead valve design into a double overhead cam. OHV is an abbreviation for overhead valve. It is an engine type in which the camshaft is located below the engine and only the valve is located above the engine. Most modern cars are OHC or DOHC overhead camshafts, with the valves and camshafts located above the engine. With OHV, the push rod cannot keep up with high rotation, so OHC, which does not require push rods, is suitable for high rotation or RPM. The 3K-R engine is a twin cam, another word for double overhead cam, which means that it is a DOHC that another camshaft takes charge of the exhaust valves, independent of the intake valves, but it is a work that Toyota Works can do to convert it. Must have been very costly. The fuel injection, as touched upon earlier, is a mechanical fuel injection unit developed by Denso for Toyota specifically for the 3K-R. This form of mechanical fuel injection is a plunger type, similar to the Lucas unit used in the Cosworth DFV. Similar to the DFV, the 3K-R has individual throttle bodies that incorporate a slide valve arrangement. I know you guys may be thinking, wouldn't the regular style butterfly work? The answer there is yes, but Toyota wanted to extract every last bit of performance possible, so a slide valve is used instead in order to maximize the amount of airflow the engine can use, particularly in high RPMs. Lastly, with all highly developed racing engines, the 3K-R is no different in incorporating a dry sump oiling system to ensure a constant supply of high pressure oil to the bearings, aiding in engine reliability. Dry sump lubrication does have its advantages, being able to lower the engine to lower the center of gravity of the car, improving cornering performance and creating a vacuum in the crankcase, essentially eliminating windage and positive crankcase pressure, giving you free horsepower. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this answers what made the 3K-R so great. Please do like, comment, and subscribe for more.